In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your DualSense controller on your iPhone 11. You will be able to connect it completely wirelessly and use it to play any games that support controllers natively. You can even use it on stuff like GeForce Now. So, to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your iPhone 11, this will be primarily done through Bluetooth. You can try using a wired connection, however, there is no guarantee that this will work. So, in order to use Bluetooth, make sure that your PlayStation 5 controller is sufficiently charged, and then press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds with the controller off. So, while the controller is powered off, press and hold these two buttons for a few seconds. Eventually, the controller will power on, and the LEDs on the status bar will start blinking rapidly, indicating that the controller is in pairing mode. Now, go over to the settings on your iPhone 11, enable Bluetooth, and you will be able to find the DualSense controller under the list of available devices. This will also work with a DualShock controller if you have one of those. So just choose it from the list of available devices, and immediately upon selecting it, the connection will be established. The LEDs on the light bar will stop blinking, they will remain stable, indicating that the connection is now established. So if you go inside of any game on your iPhone that supports controllers natively, you will be able to play it using the PlayStation 5 controller. It is going to remain connected indefinitely as long as the battery doesn't run out. Every single future time that you power on your controller, you will be able to choose it from the list of paired devices, and it will automatically connect itself. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting your iPhone and the PlayStation 5 controller, making sure that the PlayStation 5 controller is sufficiently charged, and double checking to see if you are pressing and holding the two buttons simultaneously until the light bar starts blinking. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.